What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today's video, we're gonna finally get back to work on this mini quad. But now I've also got this second one. So for now, guys, I already got this one running, as you know. So I'm gonna switch over and focus on this guy here today, because my plan is to go ahead and just keep this one stock, clean it up a little bit, get it running, and probably just put it up for sale. So what I've already done here is I put my battery in it, and I put the battery tester on it, or my battery jumper there. And I tried to get it to run, but it won't because I don't have a key for it. So I took the spare ignition switch that I have and I plugged it in, turned it on, hooked everything up, and it still won't start. It won't do anything. But when I went to plug my ignition key in here, as you guys can probably see there, it broke the plug-in on this factory harness there. You can see here, guys, it pretty much just disintegrated as soon as I touched it. So I feel like because this thing sat out in the weather for so long that wiring harness is probably trash. So I'm going to take the wiring harness that I have on the shelf up there that I never could get to work on that bike, swap it out onto this bike, and hopefully that'll make everything work. So I'm going to put you guys on a little time lapse and get this plastic torn off here, swap that wiring harness over, and hopefully Bad Boy fires up. Well guys, I found out that this wiring harness is not the same as the one that's on this quad right here. So I think what I'm going to go ahead and do is just rip this wiring harness all the way off here, because I'm pretty sure none of it's any good at all. And I'm just going to get it hot wired like that one over there that we got running already. See if this motor's good. If it is, I'm going to get it wired up like safely, hot wired like that one is, and get a fuse on it, and I'll get a nice kill switch for it, and then we'll be good to go. So I'm going to scrap this idea. Move on to hot wiring. Alright guys, so at this point I've got everything hot wired just like I did that four-wheeler. So if you haven't seen the video of me hot wiring that one, maybe go check it out and then come back and you'll know what I got going on here. But I had to go ahead and take the gas tank off of that four-wheeler because it's got good gas in it, and the gas tank off of this four-wheeler has some really nasty gas, and my gas can's just out of gas right now. And I also took the carburetor off of that four-wheeler because the jets and everything are all nice and clean on that one. I took the carburetor off of this one, and it is just completely annihilated on the inside. I got most of it cleaned up, but I couldn't get one of the jets clear. I even let it sit in gasoline all night long and still wasn't clear. So I put the other carburetor on this one. Everything's hot wired up, and I got something interesting going on right now. So my battery is not charged up. That's why I've got the little jumper box on it. But I went ahead and I hooked up this kill switch and the little starter button there. So I don't know if maybe I got it all hooked up wrong, because I'm not 100% sure how to do this exactly. It's been a long time for me, guys. So I got the starter button and the kill switch both ran to this guy here. And I cannot for the life of me remember what this thing's called right now, but it's what gets the power from the battery and everything. Maybe it's the regulator or something, I can't remember for sure. But both of those, kill switch and the starter button, are both going to that. Maybe I got it backwards, I don't know. But for right now, what I can do is, you see that the kill switch is on. I must have done it backwards, because when I flip it forwards, the bike tries to turn over a little bit, and I think it's just not going to get to turning over like fully right away, because just like that one, it had sat for quite some time. So we just need to kind of like work with it, let everything loosen up a little bit, and then it'll probably fire. So I'm going to go ahead and kick the gas on, and we'll just keep working with it and see if we can get it to run, you guys. Let's turn that gas on. Yeah, I think we'll just have to work with it like that and keep letting it go, and eventually it'll turn over good enough. Whatever. Alright, so a little update here, guys. Instead of going ahead and just waiting for the battery to fully charge up and see if it'll turn it over, because it's really struggling, and I think it's going to end up burning up my switch here. And this stupid thing just keeps beeping at me, but check it out. So what you do is, if you take your little jumper box here and you ground out the ground terminal on it, and then you slide this little connector back here, this little rubber thing here, that's the connection for the starter there. So we're gonna take this little red one here, the positive. See, it turns over really, really well. It just doesn't want to fire for some reason, and I'm not exactly sure why. Maybe just like that one, it took it a little while and then it actually started running. So I'm gonna try to give it some gas at the same time, but I'm gonna have to put you guys on tripod real quick, so be right back. All right, let's get this thing going, see if we can give it some gas at the same time as it cranking over. Hopefully this will work. I believe my fuel is on. I wonder if I choke it. I don't know, guys, it just doesn't want to start. I don't know what the deal is. Trying to choke it again. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe there's not enough gas. I mean, it should have enough gas. It really should. Yeah, I don't know, guys. It doesn't want to fire up like the other one did, so I'm not sure at this point. Still can't get the dang thing running. And I don't know if you can make that out or not, but that switch is smoking a little bit. It's hard to see in here. It's not smoking so much now. But yeah, I've pretty much annihilated that thing. But yeah, I pretty much annihilated it. I can't get it to start. I don't know why it won't fire off. I'm not 100% sure. I don't have any starting fluid, but I did check the carburetor and the float bowl is getting full. I put some gas straight in the carburetor itself. I've done everything I can think of to get this thing to start like I did that one. I just can't get it to fire off, guys. So, I'm not real sure what to do about it. I mean, to be honest with you guys, as little as I know about these four-wheelers, and I might just try to get rid of them the way they are and move on to some other project. I'm just not 100% sure about it right now. You know, I thought I knew what I was doing with these things. Thought I'd get them running pretty quick and easy. Because, you know, the guys on YouTube make it look really, really simple, but apparently they know a lot more than I do, so that might be the plan. I might just get rid of these two for parts, or somebody else can have it as a project. I just don't know what to do, guys. I don't really want to spend more money on them because they're just little cheap Chinese four-wheelers, and the stinking wiring harnesses seem to be junk 9 times out of 10, so I don't know. Comment down below what you guys think I should do. I'm seriously considering just selling them to somebody else. Let it be somebody else's headache. We'll just go back to focusing on the truck and things like that. So, yeah, really, let me know you guys' opinion. But I'm going to get these things cleaned up, get this garage cleaned back up, and that's probably going to wrap it up for this video, you guys. In the next video, probably get to doing something on that truck out there. But like I said, it's probably going to wrap it up for now. Yeah, if you guys leave a comment down below, try to help me out. I appreciate it. If you like today's video, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Just like that. I'll catch you guys in the next one.